Let's see, so I think this is about it. I think I've got it about as lined as I'm ever gonna get it. So I welded this piece in. You can kind of see where after I ground the weld up, where I didn't have full penetration. I welded that in the center of the rag joint sprocket to just get it tighter, and hopefully that keeps it from shifting around on there. I'd welded this on here to drop it down so it could actually, and this is upside down, but so I welded this plate onto here so I could drop that down. I cut this out just so I can change my tire, not having to take the whole motor off if I'm stuck on the side of the road somewhere out on a trail like this little river trail by here. This is just stock up here. I drilled some holes here and put another bracket back here on the motor. So this right here, I got a lock washer and like a little spacer up some bicycle brakes actually. Got that there. I just have one little washer on that one. This one, the top one, I guess. I have two of those little spacers off a kid's bike, and I think this is about as good as it's gonna get. So, before all this is said and done, when I just had it really fucking rigged, I had about 500 miles on it. So we'll see how this does. Anyway, so that's the rag joint and the motor setup for the Wish.com $75 fucking POS left drive thing. Oh yeah, I put my battery on this plate here, so I don't have to have it on the rack, but I'll do another video about that once I get this box complete. Anyway, alright.